Starting around 05 November 2023, Algorand basically is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algo by and large has an essentially all-out market cap of $954,761,585, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $53,105,261 in a really significant manner. This generally makes Algorand, Algo, sort of positioning at 50 in the digital currency market, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand all things considered be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner? Is Algorand a genuinely wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Algo value sort of outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner? These fundamentally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a very significant manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross a kind of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to sort of be 12 cents. So these by and large are our Algorand cost forecasts for Algo's future in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Algo can truly arrive at a very greatest value level of 13 cents, which truly is very huge. Algorand value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Algorand could stretch around 11 cents, which fundamentally shows that assuming you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand sort of be somewhat worth in 2023 in a genuinely large manner? Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 explicitly is 10 cents, with a typical cost of 11 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to explicitly be at around a kind of least of 11 cents in a by and large significant manner. Algorand cost can in a real sense arrive at a limit of 12 cents, with the typical cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, which in a real sense is very huge. Algorand value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand really is supposed to especially be at around an especially least of 11 cents, which especially is very huge. Algorand cost can arrive at a sort of limit of 12 cents, with the for the most part normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to all things considered reach at a fundamentally least worth of 12 cents in November 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Algo cost could generally arrive at a very greatest worth of 13 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, or so they most certainly thought. Algorand, Algo, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is truly anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a by and large normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of 13 cents and a very least of 12 cents, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 5.91% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they truly thought. From most recent 7 days, the Algo certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.15%, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand basically has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense, great chance to in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute, showing how starting around 05 November 2023, Algorand especially is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo in every practical sense diminished by 48.844%, disposing of an astounding pretty typical amount of 12 cents from its genuinely current worth, which for the most part shows that Algorand value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to by and large be at around a fundamentally least of 11 cents in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent truly purchase an open door for kind of fast venture, which all things considered shows that will Algo cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which fundamentally is very critical. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 50.71%, and the value sort of flowed from a truly least genuinely normal cost of 23 cents to for the most part greatest sort of normal cost of 25 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. Algorand sort of is somewhere near 35.58% with the very greatest essentially normal cost of the coin was around 17 cents and the genuinely least kind of typical cost of for the most part was around 16 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months in an unpretentious way. Algorand value estimate 2023 facts what will really be Algorand in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a significant way. The Algo cost explicitly is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a really greatest degree of 13 cents, with essentially least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Does Algorand in a real sense have a future, which especially is genuinely critical? As far as value, Algorand for the most part has an extraordinary sort of potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how Algorand value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to especially be at around an extremely least of 11 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It basically is conjecture that Algo will increment in esteem, truly further appearance how Algorand, Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is especially anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of 13 cents and a genuinely least of 12 cents. Which certainly is genuinely critical. As indicated by in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Algorand can truly raise a ruckus around town, much the most exorbitant cost of $3.93 till 2030. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Is Algorand exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very critical. Algorand's worth certainly is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as lack will in general for the most part support cost rise, exhibiting how Algorand, Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of Algorand truly is really anticipated to sort of arrive at an especially normal cost of 12 cents. While the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 13 cents and a genuinely least of 12 cents, which generally is very huge.